Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be polishing up the headlights on my 2009 Nissan Altima. Now the clear coat on the headlights have started yellowing, which doesn't look very nice. It doesn't impact the performance of the headlights at all, but externally, appearance-wise, it just doesn't look good. So what we're going to be doing is wet sanding the headlights, and then we're going to be polishing them. That's the only way to kind of get them clear again. So let's get started. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to show you guys the condition of the headlights. As you can see, there's a hazy visible layer on the headlights, which we'll be removing with wet sanding and polishing. I'm starting the wet sanding process using 800 grit, and then we'll progressively move up to 1000, 1500, and 2000 grit, making sure to sand away all the previous grit sand scratches prior to polishing. Alright, so it's time for the polishing stage. You can use a drill with a polishing pad, but I decided to use my rotary polisher with some M100 Meguiar's polishing compound. It's a more aggressive compound, so I'll follow it up with some Meguiar's plastic polish before I apply the Meguiar's M21 synthetic sealant. Alright, here's the driver's side all polished up. We can take a look at the passenger side, which hasn't been worked on yet, to compare the difference. It's a night and day difference. Time to repeat the same steps on the passenger side. There we go. Both sides are polished up now. Alright guys, so I'm finished polishing up the headlights. Took a lot of work to polish them up. They are clearer, but I'm not 100% happy with them. The reason being is that after the headlight lens has been polished up and it's clear now, I'm noticing a lot of little cracks within the headlight lens, and that's something you can't fix with polishing or sanding and stuff. So I think I may end up replacing these headlights. They will do the job as is for now, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about with the whole cracking situation. Yeah, as you can see right there, you can see some of that cracking right around here. all the way up to here. This is inside the lens. This is after you're able to get the lens clear and you're able to see these crack marks. They're on both sides of the headlights. So this one is not as bad. This is the passenger side. It's only up in this area, and this area is completely fine for the most part. But the headlights are polished up and they are nice and clear. That will do for the time being. I may end up just getting a new set of aftermarket headlights and replacing them. It's pretty straightforward to replace, so we'll probably do another video on that if I decide to replace them. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.